Oh, hello, beautiful person. I've actually been waiting for the last hour for you to get through the previous parts of the mega course video so that I could record these parts. It's been agonizing. Anyway, the next few videos are actually going to be about things that made it to the cutting room floor of the writing room, but that we probably should have included in some form or fashion in the original video. One of them is basically the daily habits that you should have as a copywriter, like the specific things that you should start doing as a daily practice. The second thing that you're going to see is the books that you should probably pick up and start reading as a copywriter. Now, in the years that I've been doing this and the many juniors that I've taught, there's two big mistakes that I see copywriters frequently make as they're starting out. One is reading too few books and consuming too few resources, just sort of vibing out this particular career and not taking it very seriously. They don't last very long. The other one is people who almost read too much, who become info junkies and basically never get started because they're reading book after book after book and consuming course after course after course. So the best copywriters in the world, I've talked to all of them. They read like 2 books to start out and then started studying copy. And the other thing is they don't really use or rely on formulas, which is why you won't find those in this particular mega course. So that video is about the books that we do recommend. I personally recommend you read 2 books, just read 2 and then start studying copy. And that is what the third video you're going to see is about, where to find copy that you can start studying and learning from. Looking forward to seeing you in them. Some of these videos are from like early in the copy that day. So please forgive some of the, listen, I didn't figure out this whole filming thing for a while, so please forgive that. It's fine. It'll be fine. You'll be fine. Bye.